tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng system of linear equation in two variable using elimination. Our first example is 2x plus 3y equals 7 and 3x minus 2y equals 4. Una, pili muna tayo ng variable na gusto nating i-eliminate. So, ang napili ko is yung y yung ating i-eliminate. So, next is, iisip tayo ng number na pag minultiply sa 3y and negative 2y ay magiging same answer. So, this first equation, multiply natin by 2, and the second equation is multiply natin by 3 to get the same answer, which is 6. So, 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times 3y is 6y. Then, 2 times 7 is 14. Then, next is 3 times 3 is 9x. And then, 3 times negative 2y is negative 6y. And 4 times 3 is 12. So, next is, we will add the equation. 4x plus 9x will be 13x. And the negative 6y plus 6y will be cancel. Then, 14 plus 12 is 26. So, to get the value of x, we need to divide both sides by 13. So, cancel. X will be 26 divided 13 is 2. So, this is the value of our x. And to find the value of y, mamimili lang tayo sa dalawang equation na to kung ano yung mas gusto natin. Then, substitute the value of x. So, gamitin natin si 2x plus 3y equals 7. So, substitute the x plus 3y equals 7. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Then, copy. So, to get the value of y, we need to transpose the constant in the right side and remain the number that we have variable, which is 3y equals. So, pag nilipat si 4, since positive to, pag nilipat, magiging negative. So, 7 minus 4. Then, 3y equals 7 minus 4 is 3. Then, divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to 3 divided 3 is 1. So, our solution, x and y is equal to 2 and positive 1. So now, let's try to solve our given example using this calculator Karse KCS991. So to solve this using calculator, punta tayo sa mode, then equation. Since our given has two variable, piliin natin yung 1. So to press it in calculator, ilagay lang natin yung mga numerical coefficient and constant. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 7. So 2 equal 3 equal 7. So next is 3x minus 2y equals 4. So 3 equal negative 2 equal 4. So to get the value of our x and y, press ulit natin yung equal. So our x is 2 and y is equal to 1. So to check if tama yung ating solution, kuha tayo ng isang equation sa ating given and substitute natin yung value ng x and y. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 7. So 2, our x is also 2 plus 3, and our y is 1 equals 7. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3 times 1 is 3 equals 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So since nag-equal yung ating sagot, ibig sabihin tama yung solusyong nakuha natin. So let's move to our second example, which is 3x plus 2y equals 19 and x minus 2y equals negative 7. So, as you can see, mapapansin natin na meron na tayong positive 2y and negative 2y here. So, ang kailangan na lang natin gawin is add the equation. 3x plus x is 4x. Since positive 2y and negative 2y will be cancelled. Then 19 plus negative 7 is 12. To get the value of x, divide both sides by 4. Cancel, cancel. So our x will be equals to 3. To get the value of y, use this second equation. 2y equals negative 7. So our x is 3. Then copy. So we will transpose the positive 3. Negative 2y equals negative 7. Positive 3 will be negative 3. Then divide both sides by negative 2. Cancel, cancel. Y is equal to negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. Negative 10 and negative 2. Negative 10 divided by negative 2 is 5. So our solution for this example is equal to y is 3, x is 3 and y is 5. So ngayon naman, itatry ulit natin yung second example natin sa calculator. So our given is 3x plus 2y equals 19. So 3 equal 2 equal 19. And our second equation is x minus 2y equals negative 7. So 1 equal negative 2 equal negative 7. So the value of our x is 3 and the value of our y is 5. So same lang din siya sa nakuha natin kanina. So to check our answer, magsa-substitute ulit tayo. So gamitin natin yung second equation. X minus 2y equals 7. Our x is 3 minus our y is 5 equals negative 7. So 3 negative 2 times 5 is negative 10 equals negative 7. So 3 minus 10 is negative 7 equal negative 7. So dahil nag-equal ulit yung answer natin, ibig sabihin tama yung ating solution. So let's have another example. X minus 2y equals negative 5 and negative 2x plus y equals 4. So, ang mas madaling i-eliminate sa example na to is x or y. Same lang pala sila. So, we will eliminate the variable x. So, to eliminate the variable x, we need to multiply it by 2 and this is 1. So, 2 times x will be 2x minus 2 times 2y is 4y. And 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Then, since sa 1 lang natin siya minultiply, copy na lang natin. Then, plus the equation. 2x plus negative 2y will be cancelled. Negative 4y plus y is negative 3. Then, negative 10 plus 4 will be negative 6. Then multiply both sides by negative 3. Then y is equal to negative 3 divide negative 6 divide negative 3 will be positive 2. So to get the value of x, use the one equation in the given. So x minus 2y equals negative 5. So substitute the y. Our y is 2, 5. x minus 2 times 2 will be 4 equals negative 5. Then x equals transpose negative 4 will be negative 5 plus 4. So our x is negative 1. So our solution for this example are negative 1 and 2. Let's solve our example number 3 in our calculator. So our given is x minus 2y equals negative 5. So x is 1 equal negative 2 equal negative 5 and negative 2 equal 1 equal 4. So the value of our x is negative 1 and our y is 2. So to check kung tama yung ating solution, substitute lang natin sa isang equation. So substitute natin sa x minus 2y equals negative 5. Our x is negative 1 minus 2 multiplied by 2 equals negative 5. So negative 1 minus 2 times 2 is 4 equals negative 5. Negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5 equals negative 5. Since nag-equal yung ating sagot, ibig sabihin, tama yung ating solution. So I have here example of system of linear equation with 3 variables. And let's try to solve this using elimination. Let's say this is equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So first, focus muna tayo sa equation 1 and equation 2. Plus 2y plus 2z equals 13. So x plus y plus z equals 2. So from these two equation, pili muna tayo ng variable na gusto nating i-eliminate. So, eliminate natin si y. To eliminate y, multiply natin sa 1. And this equation multiply natin by negative 2. So 5x plus 2y plus 2z equals 13. And negative 2x minus 2y minus 2z equals negative 2 times 2, negative 4. So add natin yung dalawang equation. 5x plus negative 2 is 3x. Positive 2 and negative 2 will be cancel. Then same lang dito. So ang natira na lang is 13 plus negative 4 is 9. Since x na lang yung natira, let's get the value of x by multiplying both sides by 3. So x is equal to 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we have the value of x. So now, since tapos na tayo sa equation 1 and equation 2, focus naman tayo kay equation 2 and equation 3. So x plus y plus z equals 2. Then 6x minus 4y plus 5z equals 31. So since y yung in-eliminate natin dito, y din yung i-eliminate natin sa second equation. So multiply natin to by 4 and 1. So 4 times x will be 4x plus 4y plus 4z equals 8. Then copy 6x minus 4y plus 5z equals 31. Then add natin yung dalawang equation. 4 plus 6 is 10. Copy x. Then positive 4 and negative 4 will be cancelled. Then 4 plus 5 is 9z equals 8 plus 31 is 39. Since we have the value of x here, we can substitute the x by this equation. So 10 times 3 plus 9z equals 39. 10 times 3 is 30 plus 9z equals 39. So, para makuha natin yung value ng z, i-transpose natin yung 30 sa right side. So, 39, since positive to, magiging negative siya pag nilipat, minus 30. So, 9z is equal to 39 minus 30 is 9. So, to get the value of z, divide natin both sides by 9. Then cancel. Z is equal to 9 divided 9 is 1. Since we have the value of x and the value of z, makukuha na natin yung value ni y. So, by using this equation, x plus y plus z equals 2. So, the value of x is 3 plus the value of y is yung hinahanap natin and the value of z is 1 is equal 2. So, lipat natin lahat ng constant into the right side. So, y is equal to 2. Since positive to, magiging negative 3. Since positive 1, magiging negative 1. So, y is equal to 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Minus negative 1 will be negative 2. So, our solution is equal to x, y is z is equal to, our x is 3, our y is negative 2, and our z is 1. So, ngayon naman, isosolve natin yung our example number 4, a system of linear equation with 3 variable. So, to compute this with calculator, punta lang ulit tayo sa mode. Piliin natin yung equation. Since our given has 3 variable, piliin natin yung pangalawa. So, ganun lang ulit. I-press natin yung mga numerical coefficient and constant. So, 5 equal to 13, and 1 equal 1 equal 1 equal 2 equals 6 equal negative 4 equal 5 equal 31. So, press lang natin yung equal para lumabas yung value ng x, y, and z. So, our x is 3 and our y is negative 2 and our z is 1. So, yung nakuha nating solution ay same lang dun sa computation natin kanina. So, para ma-check kung tama ito, pipili lang tayo ng isang equation and substitute natin yung value ng ating variable. So, x plus y plus z equals 2. So, our x is 3 plus our y is negative 2 plus our z is 1 equals 2. So, 3 plus negative 2 is 1 plus 1, 2 equals 2. So, since nag-equal yung ating sagot, ibig sabihin tama yung nakuha nating solution. So, let's have a second example of system of linear equation with 3 variable. So, this is our equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. So, focus muna tayo sa equation 1 and equation 2. 2x plus y minus 2z equals negative 1. 3x minus 3y minus z equals 5. So, from this equation, eliminate natin yung y ulit. So, multiply by 3 and this equation by 1. So, 3 times 2 is 6x and 3 times y is 3y. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Z equals negative 3. Since 1 lang yung multiply natin, copy natin yung equation. So, add natin yung dalawang equation. 6x plus 3x is 9x. Then, cancel the positive and negative 3. So, negative 6 plus negative z is negative 7z equals 2. So, we have the equation number 4. So, next, we will focus on equation 2 and equation 3. This is 3x minus 3y minus z equals 5. Then x minus 2y plus 3z equals 6. Since y yung in-eliminate natin dito, y din yung i-eliminate natin dito. So, divide natin to by 2 and divide natin to by negative 3. So, 2 times 3 is 6x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6y. Then 2 times negative z is 2z. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6y. Then negative 3 times 3 is negative 9z equals negative 3 times positive 6 is negative 18. So, add natin yung dalawang equations. 6x plus negative 3x is 3x. Then cancel the negative 6 and positive 6y. Negative 2 plus negative 9 is negative 11z equals 10 plus negative 18 is negative 8. So we have the equation number 5. So now we have the equation 4 and 5 and they are both have two variable. So to get the first variable, we will use the equation 4 and equation 5, which is 9x minus 7z equals 2 and 3x minus 11z equals negative 8. Since ang mas madaling eliminate dito ay yung x, so multiply natin to by 1. And this equation multiply by negative 3 para makancel natin yung x. So since 1 lang to, copy na lang natin yung equation. Then 3 times negative 3 will be negative 9x. Then negative 3 times negative 11 plus 33z equals negative 3 times negative 8 is 24. So, add natin yung dalawang equation. So, 9x plus negative 9 will be cancelled. Then, 33 plus negative 7 is 26. Z equals 2 plus 24, 26 also. So, to get the value of z, divide both sides by 26. So, our z is equal to 26 divided by 26 is 1. So, since meron na tayong isang value, the value of z, pwede na natin siyang i-substitute dito sa dalawang equation na to. Since dalawa na lang yung equation nila, which is the x and z. To get the value of x, gamitin natin yung equation na to. So, 9x minus 7z equals 2. So, 9x minus 7 multiply our z is 1 equals 2. So, 9x equals 7. 7 times 1 is 7 equals 2. 9x. Then, lipat natin si 7 equals 2. Since negative 7 siya, pag nilipat magiging positive 7. So, 9x is equal to 2 plus 7 is 9. To get the value of x, multiply both sides by 9. So, cancel. X will be equals to 1. So, since we have the value of x and the value of z, pwede na nating makuha yung value ni y. To get the value of y, let's use this equation number 1. So, 2x plus y minus 2z equals negative 1. So, our x is equal to 1 plus y minus 2. Our z is also equal to 1 equals negative 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2 plus y. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2 equals negative 1. So, lahat ng constant, lipat natin sa right side. Y will be equals to negative 1. 2, lipat sa kabila, magiging negative 2. The negative 2, lipat sa kabila, magiging positive 2. So, our y is equal to, since negative 2 plus 2 will be cancelled, our y is equal to negative 1. So, our solution is equal to, our solution will be equal to x is equal to 1, y is negative 1, and z is 1. So, ngayon naman, itatry natin sa calculator yung example number 5. So, our given is 2x plus y minus 2z equals negative 1. So, press lang natin sa calculator. So, 2 equal 1 equal negative 2 equal negative 1. And 3 equal negative 3 equal negative 1 equal 5. Then 1 equal negative 2 equal 3 equal 6. So, to get the value of x, y, z, pinutin na ulit natin yung equal. So, our x is 1. Our y is negative 1. And our z is also 1. So, para ma-check kung tama yung answer natin, gagamitin natin yung equation 1. So, 2x plus y minus 2z equals negative 1. So, 2, our x is 1 plus our y is negative 1 minus 2 times 1 equals negative 1. So, 2 times 1 is 2 plus negative 1 minus 2 times 1 is also 2, negative 1. So, since we have positive 2 and negative 2, pwede na natin silang i-cancel. So, ang natira na lang is negative 1 equal to negative 1. So, nag-equal yung ating answer. Ibig sabihin, tama yung nakuha nating solution.